Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
In this video, we're going to look at an age-old debate for mutual funds. Should you invest in direct funds or regular funds? Now, mutual funds are recognized as a universal wealth creator. I think all investors have some exposure to mutual funds and they do recognize how beneficial they are. But the one question that's on their mind is whether they should go through the direct route or the regular route. And when investors begin to debate about this, the focus is always on the costs. But in this video, we're actually going to look at some of the other elements that an investor must take into consideration when they're looking at this decision. So firstly, if you're a DIY investor, it's very obvious that direct funds actually make sense for you because you end up saving on costs. You're already putting in the effort for product selection and you're focusing on your portfolio. But the real question is whether you are actually a DIY investor or you're not. And this question can actually be answered by watching one of the older videos that we published where we talk about who is a DIY investor. Now let's just quickly weigh the pros and cons of direct versus regular funds. When we look at direct funds, you have of course the low cost benefit. You have more freedom to choose products. When we work with direct mutual funds, we have the opportunity to work with an advisor. There's a lot more confidence that there won't be any misaligned financial interests or conflict of interest when an advisor is working with you. There is also the benefit of freedom if you're a DIY investor to choose any fund that you think is going to bring you wealth. When you go through the regular route, you do have guided product selection. So it's very likely that the universe would be limited to the competence of the mutual fund distributor. You also have the advantage of not dealing with all of these hassles in terms of operational transactions, as well as a much better approach to service. So this brings us to what are the differences between direct and regular mutual funds that an investor should pay attention to. Now, when an investor chooses the direct route, they can work with an advisor and there is a much higher sense of confidence and security that financial interests are more aligned with the investor, as well as the fact that the cost of the underlying product is lower. But when you look at the regular mutual fund, there is actually only one layer of cost, which is the distributor's commission, and not two in terms of the fund's fee as well as the advisor's fee. The second thing that works better when you look at a regular fund is that operationally, in terms of transactions and operational management, tends to be smoother because there is an intermediary who is able to facilitate all of this. Product selection can actually be more wide in an advisory capacity or through the direct mutual fund. An investor has a lot more say in terms of what products come in. In the regular side, usually the fund selection is limited to the distributor's competence, while of course you can follow an execution only approach where an investor tells the distributor that this is a fund that they want to own and participate in. So these are some things that you need to keep in mind and consider while you're looking at this debate between direct and regular. The most important thing that an investor needs to keep in mind is that it's not just about costs, it's about the experience and the value addition that you're getting out of this whole process. So if you are getting better product selection, better risk management, if your advisor or your distributor is able to help you set milestones, goals, and create wealth for you through longer term wealth creation tools and not just financial products, you're in a much better wicket. Keeping all this in mind, we hope you make the right choice for yourself in terms of where you want to invest and how you want to invest. Wishing you a happy investment journey.